House Mokusei, a carefully restored century-old Kyo-machiya located in Kyoto's historic Shimojo ward. Designed by Atelier U, this 175-square-meter residence has been transformed into a modern lodging space that retains the soul of its traditional Japanese roots. The project delicately balances preservation and adaptation, offering a meaningful experience for guests who seek both cultural depth and modern comfort. Kyoto's cityscape has long been shaped by the ancient Jobo grid system, inherited from China's Tang dynasty. Over centuries, this layout nurtured a unique urban dwelling type. The Kyo-machiya, known for its narrow frontages and deep interiors. These homes, often referred to as eel's beds, were shaped by regulations and taxes based on street width, resulting in their long, slender form. The original Kyo-machiya layout featured a spatial progression from public to private. A typical sequence began with the mise shop at the front, followed by a doma, an earthen-floored corridor, and then the living and tatami rooms in the rear. Above the doma was the hibukuro, a smoke chimney that also functioned as a ventilation shaft. This layout expressed a deep logic of privacy, light, airflow, and daily life. However, by the time Atelier U took over the project, much of this spatial clarity had been lost. The facade had been removed, the doma was disrupted by a raised kitchen platform, and a ceiling had closed off the vertical space once used for ventilation. The traditional flow had become fragmented and compressed, leaving the house disoriented from its original structure. The design team responded with a two-phase approach. First, to reconstruct the underlying logic of the machiya, and second, to integrate contemporary functions without compromising its character. They re-established the original facade line, introducing a front garden that subtly separates the home from the street. The raised kitchen platform was removed, restoring the doma as a continuous spatial connector from entrance to interior. Within the reorganized layout, the team created a cohesive open-plan living space by merging the mise and daidoko family kitchen. A central device was introduced, an architectural core composed of custom furniture, cabinetry, and mechanical systems. This core stands at the threshold between the doma and living area, acting as a visual and functional pivot. Its suspended ceiling and layered surfaces clearly define transitions in height, use, and atmosphere. One of the most poetic restorations is the Hibukuro. Once a practical smoke chimney, it now serves as a vertical light shaft and ventilation channel, exposing pipes, wiring, and ducts in an honest expression of the home's new life. Rather than conceal these elements, the design embraces them, connecting the past and present through architectural transparency. House Mokusei offers 4 distinct room types: traditional washitsu, modern washitsu, Western style, and suite, designed to accommodate different guest preferences. The renovation doesn't just restore a building, it restores a way of living. This project reminds us that architectural typologies are not merely historical artifacts. They are living frameworks that can guide future design with clarity and cultural resonance.